Have you ever wondered how a hydraulic press machine works? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of hydraulics to uncover the secret behind these powerful machines. A hydraulic press machine, a marvel of engineering, uses the principles of fluid mechanics to generate a compressive force. Picture this. A small force applied at one point is transmitted to another point using an incompressible fluid, which is usually oil. This is the basic principle of Pascal's law, the cornerstone of all hydraulic systems. So, how does this all come together in a hydraulic press machine? The machine primarily consists of two cylinders, a smaller one and a larger one. These cylinders are connected by a pipe and filled with oil. When a force is applied to the smaller cylinder, the pressure created is transmitted through the oil to the larger cylinder. Think of it like this. A small push on one end results in a big push on the other. The increase in force is directly proportional to the size difference between the two cylinders. The larger the difference, the greater the force produced. But where does the power come from? Energy is supplied to the hydraulic press in the form of mechanical power. This energy is converted into hydraulic energy by the pump, which pushes the oil through the system. The oil then transfers this energy to the machine parts, powering the hydraulic press. Now you might be wondering, what makes hydraulics so effective? Well, the secret lies in the incompressibility of the oil. Unlike gases, liquids cannot be compressed. When pressure is applied to the oil, it has nowhere to go but forward, transferring the full force to the larger cylinder. This is what allows a hydraulic press to generate such immense force with such a small amount of input. To sum up, a hydraulic press machine operates based on the principles of Pascal's law, using an incompressible fluid to transmit force from a smaller cylinder to a larger one. The force generated is proportional to the size difference between the cylinders, and the incompressibility of the fluid ensures that the full force is transferred. This simple yet effective mechanism is what powers these machines, making them an indispensable tool in many industries. So, the next time you see a hydraulic press at work, crushing objects as if they were made of paper, remember the science behind it. It's not just brute force, but a clever use of fluid mechanics that makes it all possible.